If you are a true NS lover, be with me till the end. You will enjoy today's vlog. So we are changing the exhaust today of the Ns200, and this will be not an ordinary one.
It's the Akrapovic.
Come on, guys. This is the final bye-bye before we change the exhaust. Oh, this is the live example. It is about boys' investment in fashion versus the investment on their bike. So the exhaust change is happening, and this will be a really noisy bomb in some time. So the NS is getting an exhaust change, and we will be ready soon. This is the stock exhaust. This is the stock sound. Finally, it will be remembered. Bye bye to the old one. No noise. Now the noisy bomb is on the way. Each and every problem is solved from here onwards. Doctor of the bike is ready, so he is all preparing himself to remove the exhaust as soon as possible, and he will be up in some time, so the exhaust will be ready as soon as possible. He is the only one who will do it. See the wordings, guys. So the doctor is on the way. This is his revenge for me. Is this his revenge for me? Bro is sad, no happy.
I'm good.
Long process. Bro taking the long cut.
Doctor is showing attitude.
Bro showing attitude towards the work.
Hey. As if he only knows to do all this.
Bro doing nakras.
Revenge for me.
This revenge for me.
There is a bad news for me. There is a good news for me. Bad news is my stock silencer is going, and good news is that
The noise bomb is coming.
The noise bomb is coming. The Akra.
Bro is taking forever.
अरे प्रॉब्लम कितने के तो कहीं ले
Will this happen today, bro? Or should I come tomorrow?
Bro, this Russian boy is saying something.
Hey, he's Russian, yeah?
So we'll teach him our French language. Inna kudi koda. Unni. Inda kundi unni. एक बार आते हैं गुड्डी. पत्राऊं. निकल सर म्हणरे इंग्लिश बाबा.
So our welder is ready doing his welding work today.
Can't understand why is he wearing goggles. Goggle. Goggle करता तिका goggle.
You're doing yoga, son. Full dedication, yeah. Revenge for me, huh? Noisy bomb is getting noisier. Waiting for it. This doctor is taking time. I think it's his part-time role, yeah.
काढता.
This work is not professional work, yeah. Just we are doing it for fun.
Mechanic is just part-time mechanic.
Yeah, mechanic is just part-time mechanic.
He works for catering company.
Serious, what it is? Revenge for me. This is the reason why it was not making any noise. Now, this bike will convert money into music.
Yes.
And that is happening.
And I'm very
Rest in peace.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, make the grind,
Going on.
I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life,
Well,
I never miss that fact, taking big swings with the jam, you the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know
this
life's
is
short, so I'm gonna live
yoga son mechanic. The gymnastic is a gymnastic freak, I guess.
त्याला किती टाइट होता आवाज दिला. अरे
Yo bro, is loose, yeah?
हेमत. किती हेमत. अरे काय नाही.
Bro is preparing, yeah? Akrapovic.
They wanna say my name, but they hold it back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy.
Comment down below, guys, what it's called, yeah? Did you like this mechanic, yeah?
About to unpack all this shit I've been chasing. I've got this shit in my head, like
It's a totally free promotional paid service.
instead of something you can forget.
Very dangerous, but
Living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Come on, bro, you can do it. Come on, yeah? Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push, 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 push. And it's time. Show time. Show time, huh? Very loud, eh? And the pops are cool, yeah? Little bit more spice is needed to be added, like the silencer spice. You know what I'm talking about right here. See guys how slow it is. The job is still not yet done. It's a very slow mechanic. Just a part-time guy.
2, 3, 4, 5,
No jokes.
6 points.
Just comment down below what you think about it. Let me know how the work is done.
Okay, contact number.
Let me know if you need his contact number. Like fun to go work, you can say. Comment down below if you need his contact number and all. Yeah, finally the time has come. Yeah, hey. See the excitement on the faces. You can hear the noise, like the exhaust sound from so far. And the loudest in it, I can see. Look at the flames. Nice, yeah? The joy on the face. Hey. Just a little blip, but the noise is like absolutely too loud. Since this is a village side, we don't make to make that much noise this side. We don't want to wake up the people who are sleeping and all. So a little bit of blip is okay. Not more than that. Back to business. The exhaust is too loud. The eardrums of people will burst, I think so.